Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate again and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat without a verification code. So if you are looking for a video like this, make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. So without further ado, let's start. Now to log into Snapchat without a verification, try to log in from a device that you are using that device frequently. That means log in from the same device that you have logged in before, and now go to Snapchat app. Here I have logged in to my account from this device frequently, so if I simply tap on login option right here, it will not ask me for a verification code. And the next option to try to log in without a verification code is that you have to contact to Snapchat support center. For that, open your Google on the device. Once you tap on there, you must see this interface, and here you can provide your issue. Select an option. Suppose I need help with Snapchat feature. After that, again go down and then tap on setting. Now again tap on other, scroll down, and in here you can just simply email and Snapchat. For that, provide your username here. After that, provide your email, and in description provide the reason. Say that you can't access the verification code right now and you need help with that. Once you're done with that, simply tap on submit and your email will be submitted to Snapchat support center, and wait until Snapchat hears you back or emails you back, and then you will be able to log into Snapchat without a verification code. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.